back to my channel. It's here, Shanice, and today I'm working with Braidsqueen.
So this wig is from Braidsqueen. This is a 30-inch medium brown Swiss lace twisted braided wig. It is perfect for any size that does have a 22.5 circumference and also has the elastic band for extra support in the back. This wig does have baby hairs at the top and is extremely thick. The first thing I do when installing this wig, I do spray with my Sally Hansen. Because I did not bleach the knots, you don't necessarily have to, but I do want to go ahead and spray this so I won't have to put makeup on it as well. And then it will give you the natural scalp look. So after I did spray, I am going to go with my blow dryer to make that foundation a little bit hard, because if not, it's still going to be that liquid wet feeling. So you do want to go ahead and dry it. So whenever you do put it on, the foundation will not spread.
Now once all of that is finished and it's time for the installing, now at first I do leave my cap on just to protect my hair underneath. I do have the cap on, but eventually I do take it off, which y'all will see at the end. Now I didn't like the way the cap was looking underneath the wig. Like, you can definitely see it. For this to be a brown lace, where the twists are, you can really see everything. You see the difference as I scooted the cap back. You seen everything. So that's why eventually I did take it off. Now it's up to you if you want to wear a cap underneath, but I did end up taking the cap off, which y'all are going to see. It was just too noticeable underneath the hair, but this wig fits so snug. Like, you could wear it glueless if you want, which I didn't. I did just use the Got to Be glue placing it down, but this wig fits so perfect. It's unbelievable. And the elastic band in the back is so secure. When I say it fits so perfect, because y'all know how some elastic bands are just too big, but this was so perfect. It fit right underneath my braids that I got in the back. It was just so snug. Y'all can see everything is just perfectly lined with this wig. Like, it was just made for my head. And, you know, surprisingly, you know, you wouldn't expect that from a braided wig, but everything is just so perfect with this hair. Everything is so lined up. Everything is circumference right. It's so snug and tight with no problems. Another good thing about this wig is the baby hairs. Like, the baby hairs are not thick, like them big old thick baby hairs that you have to keep plucking. Like, these baby hairs were so thin and natural. Like, it just was so amazing. So the baby hairs on this, y'all see I just took my cap off, Lord, but the baby hairs on this wig is so perfect. You don't have to pluck anything else. Like, just swoop your baby hairs and be on about your business, because everything was so perfectly made with this wig. So as y'all did see, I did take my cap off from underneath, and it still looks like scalp under, because I do have the Sally Hansen, or you can just use makeup. I'm pretty sure if you have like a good makeup, either whether it's powder or liquid, you can just use underneath. But the Sally Hansen does work really good as well, just covering up those knots and making it look like you do have foundation on the cap. So I am going with the Got to Be glue and just spraying my hairline. Got to Be glue does not damage your hair. It literally comes up with water. So I like using Got to Be glue because I am 100% natural and I need all my edges. So I like using Got to Be glue, and I do just hold it down with Got to Be glue. Now I could have added some more, but you know, this was just something quick just to show y'all installing this braided wig that I absolutely love. And I'm just ready for y'all to see the outcome. Okay, so it is dry. I am about to take it off. We've got a couple of baby hairs that's still around. That's just hanging around. And let's see what it is looking like. Let me touch up my forehead. Yup. So let's see what this is looking like. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's so cute. Y'all, this looks like so legit. Do y'all not see these sideburns? So I am gonna take it down. And this is what it is looking like. Oops, I left a piece up here. Oh, this is so cute. Do y'all not see this? Very quick and easy. And this is a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair, y'all. So cute. So cute. And you can put it up if you want, like put the size up if you want. You can put it up in the back. And let me see. This is what it's looking like. Having it up. A hot bun. Not a bun, I'm sorry. And I'm not gonna try to pull it too hard because it's not coming up. I didn't really glue my tabs down. There it goes. Tabs down too good. But this is it, y'all. This is absolutely so cute, y'all. It looks like I really legitly went and got my hair done. Like, this is like so cute. So cute. Do y'all not see this? Like, and it's super long. I am gonna stand up and show y'all. Standing up in the front, it goes all the way down. It goes all the way down here. Turn into the bizac. It is down to my butt. So, giving y'all a close-up, y'all, this is really nice. And notice I don't have a cap underneath. I end up taking my cap off and just spraying it with my airbrush, Sally Hansen, and that's all I did. And the knots weren't bleached, so that's why I went ahead and did that. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm gonna take it down because it looked extremely full. Like, it's super full. This is super easy. Like, you can, this is super easy. Like, this is the best thing. Like, I've been wanting my hair like braided and twists and stuff like that for so long. And this is like the best thing right about now. And this is what it looks like. I think my only problem is I don't like it how it's a hump right here. But once you keep wearing it and you can wrap your scarf, it's going to get flatter and flatter. Because like there's like so many twists right here. It's super
super full, super full. But yeah, and again, this is by Braidsqueen, and they have so many different ones, but this one is absolutely so cute. You ain't gotta worry about nothing being in your face. This is like super, super, super cute. Super cute. And like I said, you can put it up if you want. Now the back, you can, if you want to like glue the back down, you will be able to put it up in a high bun. Let me see if I can show y'all a little bit. This is the back. This is what it looks like in the back. You can pull it down and you can spray it down if you want, but that's how the back looks. That is what the back looks. So full, so full. So I thank y'all again for watching my video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for my next video. And thank y'all again for watching.